I cannot believe I have this hairline. This is what my edges are looking like. See how this do. In today's video, I am going to show you how to cover that bald spot using the Quick Cover Hair Concealer, the Kiss Quick Cover Hair Concealer. This product looks just like an eyeshadow. It comes with a little puffy pad to put it on your edges, but I use it with my finger. And it says that it is waterproof and it has biotin added, and it is under $10. And it covered my huge bald spots, my traction alopecia, my thinning balding edges. Also, if you're not subscribed here, go ahead and make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to click on notifications so that you don't miss any uploaded videos. This stuff works really well. I am quite surprised. Like, this did a great job at disguising my edges. And the hairspray keeps it from transferring. So this product is pretty good. So yeah, this is it. Final look. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.